This is our student problem number 4. So to begin, we need to find our rational zeros. So that's P over Q. P is the factors of the constant right here, and then Q is the factors of the coefficient of the largest degree. And so the factors are 1, 2, 7, 14, and the other one is 1, 2, 7, 14. So we put that on top, the factors on top and the factors on bottom, and plus minus sign. So then we write out all our fractions. So plus minus 1, plus minus 1/2, plus minus 1/7, plus minus 1/14, so on. But before we could do synthetic division, we have to find all our possible positive real roots and negative roots. So that's the sign of deviation according to Descartes' signs of changes or rules of signs. That's the changes in the addition and negative. So the positive real zeros. Let's count. No change here, and there's one right here. So there's only one change. So there's only one possible real positive root. And then to find negatives, we have to change all the odd degree coefficients to the opposite sign. So here is x cubed, odd number, so we have to change this to a negative. Odd number, x, to the first power, so that's odd, negative again, and then we start counting. So positive to negative is 1, 2, 3, and nothing. So it's just 3. And then because we have to remember about imaginary pairs, we have to count down by 2 because imaginaries always come in pairs. So for negative real roots, it's 3 or 1. Now we can begin synthetic division. So we write all the coefficients. And out here, let's try the number -7. See how that works. So -7 is a 0 hero, so that's one of our factors. So x plus 7. So let's another number we could pick is 1/7. Let's do that. And look, we just found another 0 hero. So it's going to be x minus 1/7. And then we are left with 14x squared plus 21x plus 14. But there's a common factor of 7, so we can factor that out. So this will go into 7 times 2x squared plus 3x plus 2. And I don't think we can find any, we can't do this at the top of our head. We can't factor off the top, so we're going to have to use the quadratic formula. Negative b plus minus radical of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Plug these numbers into their respective letters. So it's going to be -3 plus minus 9 minus 4 times 2 times 2 over 2 times 2. And that will become -3 plus minus 9 minus 16 over 4, which goes to -3 plus minus -7 over 4. But then negative radical 1, we factor it out, becomes an I. So let's go back all the way up here. So it's going to be -3 plus minus I radical 7 over 4. So that's another one.